Today we will be learning about double-digit addition with regrouping. Before we get started, it is important to know about the tens and the ones place. In the number 34, there are 3 tens and 4 ones, which can also be shown using sticks and cubes. In one stick, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. When considering the number of sticks, there are 3 sticks, which represent the tens place, showing that there's 3, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes, which represent the ones place. In total, there are 34 cubes, and it is important to know that 10 cubes make up 1 stick, which is why these 4 cubes are not able to be made up into 1 stick. Now with the tens and ones place, it's your turn. You are able to pause this video and count the number of tens and ones place in order to know the number for double-digit addition. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cubes, or 2 sticks, which represent the tens place. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes that represent the 5 in the ones place. When combining these two numbers, there are 25 cubes in total, 2 representing the tens and 5 representing the ones to get the number 25. It is important to line up two numbers while doing double-digit addition with regrouping. On the right, you can see that the 34 is not lined up with the 25. So the 4 is not able to be added with anything below it, and the 2 is not able to be added with anything above it. It is important that the numbers are lined up in order to have the correct tens and ones place while adding. Solving. Timmy has 34 stickers and Timmy's friend has 25 stickers. If they combine their stickers, how many do they have together? When looking at the ones place, there are 4 plus 5 equals 9. To show that the ones place, there is 9 total. When looking at the tens place, 3 plus 2 equals 5. To get a total of 59 stickers. It is very important to work right to left, because if the number on the ones place is bigger than 10, which we talked about with the sticks and the cubes, it would need to get added over to the left side in order to solve this correctly. Solving. Now it's your turn. There is the number 23 and the number 42 provided. Keep in mind the tens and ones place and the right to left method that I just taught in order to make sure this problem is solved correctly. It would be important and beneficial if you were to pause this video while solving. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You bring the number down and you put the 5 below the line. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Bring the number below the line and you get the number 65. That is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching.